Let's go to work.
Yeah!
Oh! Go, go, go! Oh no, what happened? I need to check my track. The wheel is okay. Maybe something under the hood.
Okay.
So, let's see what the problem is. Oh no, my engine! An urgent need to call the handyman. Hello, handyman. My truck is broken.
Hi! Of course, I will help you.
Perfect. I'm waiting. Bye. Dima, I'm here. Hi, Dima. High five.
Hello.
Dima, the engine is broken down. Can you fix it?
Of course, I'll fix it now. Give me the keys of truck.
Okay, when you are done, call me. I will be waiting.
Oh! Okay.
Everything is ready. Your truck is like new.
Super, thank you, Dima. Great job.
You're welcome.